Okay, number 1. Do I have a decimal in my divisor? No. So since I do not have one in the divisor, there's nothing to move. I do not move the 1 in the dividend. What do I do with it?
Bring it up.
Bring it up. First question I ask myself is, will 40 go into?
3.
Will it?
No.
Okay. So right now I'm going to put a 0 there. Will 40 go into 34?
No.
So I'm going to put a 0 there. What do I have to do? I'm working with decimals.
You have to
Add a 0. How many times will 40 go into 340?
8 times.
8 times 40 is 320. And I don't have to subtract. I'm rounding to the nearest whole number. 0.0 is going to round to what?
0.
0. All right, number 2. 3 tells me what?
You got 3 columns.
Not 3 columns.
Wait, the 8 wouldn't count? I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just confused.
If you're rounding to the nearest whole number, you start at the whole number and you look to the right. This is the first digit to the right. The 8 would count if we were rounding to the tenths, but we're not rounding to the tenths. All right, so, excuse me. 3 rows and what? 7 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Of my rows, how many should be shaded?
1.
Of my columns, how many should be shaded?
2.
No, actually you don't.
I like green.
You get some green shade. All right, how many are double covered?
2.
How many total blocks?
2.
So my answer is 2 over 21. All right, number 3. We're multiplying. Do we have to line up the decimals when we're multiplying decimals? No. Okay. So if come Friday, when I type this for you, if I type it and it's going in a sentence like this, you do not have to, where do you need to line up? Because you're not lining up the decimals. Line up your numbers. 1 times 0.
0.
1 times 4.
4.
1 times 6.
6.
Placeholder 7 times 0. 7 times 4.
28.
8 down. 2 up. 7 times 6.
42.
Plus 2 more.
48. 44.
Add 0 and 0, 0. 4 and 0. 6 and 8. 4 and 1.
5.
Bring down your 4. How many places is the decimal in my problem?
3.
1, 2, 3. So my answer is 45.40. Oh, 0.44. Thank you. Miss Chloe's tired today and it's showing. All right, number 4, 72 inches equals how many feet?
12.
12 inches and 1 foot. So 72 divided by 12 is what?
6.
Let's go straight to number 6. Fill in the blank to make the conversion true. How many cups equals 32 ounces?
4.
Now I'm going to do number 5. 3/8 plus 2/4. I can set it up right here. What's the first thing I need to do?
Find the common denominator.
What's the common denominator going to be?
8.
That stays the same. 4 goes into 8. 2 times 2.
4.
4 plus 3.
7.
So my answer for number 5.
7. It's not possible to have a mixed number.
And it can't be simplified. All right, determine the best choice for, stop, the numeral 13 and, I'm stopping right there. There's one I can weed out.
3.
13 and C. C does not start with 13. These are all 13 and. 17, I can rule out another one. A's got a 17. D. Now, 17 thousandths. What is the correct answer? B.
What can you rule out? A.
Yes, but I had not asked that yet. So 7 should be B. Rewrite the number sentence using numbers and symbols. Subtract 5 from 6, then multiply by 3. So in order to do 5 from 6, how am I going to write that? 6 minus 5. 5 from 6.
Yeah, so you have to flip it?
Then, no. Yeah, you don't write it this way. You wouldn't say this because this is not 5 from 6. This is 6 from 5. You have to look at the word you're given. Then multiply by 3. So number 8 should be 6 minus 5 times 3.
I was thinking like, because I was thinking like 6 could not go to 5, so turn it the other way.
You cannot it doesn't matter what it says because sometimes it will give you numbers that don't work. You have to look at the words. Subtract 5 from 6. If this would have said 6 from 5, we'd have flipped them. Okay? And even though you can't hold up 5 fingers and take 6 away, you could add decimals or something like that. Okay? All right, the 7 in the millions place is what the value of the 7 in the 10,000s place?
10 to the second.
1, 2, 2 jumps. Yes, 10 to the second. 48 times 10 to the second. What am I doing?
Moving the decimal to the right.
1, 2. Add a 0. This is now no longer a decimal. It's now a whole number, and you should have 4880. Okay? Oh, yeah, put your comma. Thank you. All right.